So I want to discuss one important topic today. So in last 1 year, I appeared for two MNC interviews, which is Infosys and Wipro, and in both the interviews, the same question was asked, and I almost got rejected because of the same interview questions. And the question is sort the list of employees by their salary. The question looks very simple, but if you go and try to implore the concept, then you will realize that there is a concept behind it. So they will be giving you the employee class. They will be giving the employee class and some sample values for the list for creating the list of employees. So I have taken the employee class. So let's start this problem solving this problem. So let me put the employee class here, and what we're gonna do is we gonna create the sample list of values with employee as object. All right, so as you can see, I have created the list of employees with the construct by the constructor of the employee class, and added the same into the list of employee. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna call the stream function on the list. So as we know, like Java, it provide us the stream concept, like streaming on the collector, like collections framework. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this sorted functionality, and in the sorted function of the stream we're gonna use comparator interface. And since we are using, so let me check the type of the salary, it's double, so we're gonna call the uh, comparing double method. And then what we are going to at the end of like what is the ultimate goal of our question is to sort the salary. So we already have the getter of the salary, so what we're gonna call is like we're gonna call the get salary method on this particular class. So and then what we're gonna do is, since we are sorting it, so what we at the end of the operation, what we need to do is we need to collect the result. So we gonna collect the result, and as you can see, I'm gonna collect it back to the list. Now we're gonna store this answer in some variables or another list which is sorted, so we can use var keyword here to store the result. And as you can see here, now I can apply for each concept here, and I can print the result. Now let's try to print it and see whether we have been able to sort it or not. So let's run it. I think there is a spelling mistake. Alright, so here you can see we have sorted the uh, list of employees with the ascending order. Now if they ask you to sort it in the descending order, then how are you going to do it? So all you have to do is you just have to use the reverse method on your uh, comparing double. So as you can see, now you have again sorted it back to the descending order. So yeah, that's all about it. So if you are appearing for the Java interview, do not attempt the interview without practicing this question. So this is very hottest topic